Everyone thinks the best-selling under-hood work lights are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Roplux 2500 LM Work Light. First up is the Roplux 2500 LM Work Light, priced at $30.67. This light caught my attention with its high brightness and rechargeable feature. If you want a reliable light that lasts during your car repairs, this is worth a serious look. This work light offers a whopping 2,500 lumens of brightness, which means you won't be squinting in the dark while trying to fix your engine. The 5,200 milliamp hours rechargeable battery lasts around 4 to 5 hours on high brightness, so you can tackle those longer jobs without worrying about interruptions. Plus, the magnetic holder is super handy, as it attaches easily to metal surfaces, letting you work hands-free. But here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're knee-deep in an engine bay, you need reliable light that you can position just right, and this light does that perfectly with its 180-degree and 360-degree swivel capabilities. Now, some people complain about the magnets not sticking to aluminum surfaces, which can be a deal-breaker if you're working on a newer car. But here's the thing. Most vehicles still have plenty of steel parts. You just need to choose the right spot. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY mechanic or someone who frequently works on cars at home. Skip this one if you primarily work with aluminum cars, though. For the price, it offers great value for what you get. Now, if the Roplex's magnet issue bothers you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Silstar 2400 LM Work Light. Next up, we have the Silstar Work Light priced at $35.99. This caught my eye with its dual functionality, allowing it to be used as 2 separate lights. If flexibility is what you need, this might be your best bet. The Silstar packs 2,400 lumens of brightness, which is impressive for various situations, whether you're tightening bolts under the hood or dealing with an emergency. It features 3 brightness levels and can even emit a red flash for SOS signals, which is a solid addition for safety. The 4,400 milliamp hours battery lasts 4 hours on high, and with 2 powerful magnets, it attaches securely to metal surfaces. Here's why this matters. That versatility allows you to adjust light intensity based on your needs, ensuring you won't be left in the dark during critical moments. However, some users reported that the battery life could be shorter than expected when used on high brightness. I'll be real with you. If you're planning on long sessions, you might want to keep a charger on hand. But for most casual users, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you like having options and need a light that adapts to different scenarios. Skip this one if you need a light that lasts through marathon tasks without a recharge. For the price, you're getting a solid tool that can lighten your workload. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for maximum brightness. Product number 3, Woklux 3000 LM Work Light. Let's talk about the Woklux 3000 LM Work Light, priced at $26.58. This one really stood out to me because of its super bright output. If brightness is your priority, you'll want to hear about this one. With a brightness of 3,000 lumens, this light goes beyond what many others offer. It has 3 different brightness settings, which allows you to adjust based on your needs, whether you're working on a car or camping. The 5,200 milliamp hours battery charges via Type-C and offers between 2 to 8 hours of use, depending on the setting. For someone in a tight spot under a hood, having that flexibility is crucial. The dual strong magnets also ensure it stays put, as long as you're working with metal surfaces. However, a few users mentioned that the light can be a bit bulky to handle comfortably. Here's the thing though, this isn't a pocket light. It's designed to be powerful and has a purpose, so if you're okay with a bit of extra size for that brightness, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you need something that can light up a wide area quickly. Skip this one if you want something compact and lightweight. For its price, it's an excellent choice for anyone needing serious illumination. Now, if you're looking for something even more durable, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, Makani Light Yellow Work Light. Next, we have the Makani Light in yellow, priced at $39.99. The bright color caught my attention, but it's the performance that impresses. If you want a light that stands out and performs well, keep listening. This light also boasts 3,000 lumens and a rechargeable 5,200 milliamp hours battery that lasts up to 3.5 hours on high. What sets this light apart is its rugged construction, designed to endure tough environments. The 360-degree swivel capabilities allow you to position the light exactly where you need it, which is key when you're working on intricate repairs. The built-in safety features also protect against short circuits, giving you peace of mind during use. Now, some users found the charging time to be a bit long, taking up to 3.5 hours to fully charge. But here's the thing. If you're planning ahead, you can easily charge it while you work on other tasks, so it's not a huge setback. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself working in harsh conditions or need a dependable light for various tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for a bargain option. It's a bit pricier, but offers solid value for what you get. Alright, now moving on to the last product, which offers something a bit different. Product number 5, Makani Light Red Work Light. Finally, we have a Makani Light in red, also priced at $39.99. If you've liked what you heard about the yellow version, you're in for a treat. This one shares many features but offers that sleek red finish. If aesthetics are important to you, this could be the one. Like its yellow counterpart, this light delivers 3,000 lumens and ensures ample illumination for your work. The rechargeable 5,200 milliamp hours battery also provides up to 3.5 hours of continuous lighting. The magnetic light bar can attach to steel surfaces effortlessly, and the rugged design ensures it can handle any workshop environment. This is especially important when you're working in tight spaces and need everything to function flawlessly. However, just like the yellow version, some users reported the light can take a while to recharge fully. But if you're using it for short bursts, it's not something that should deter you. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a sturdy light with a stylish look. Skip this one if you need a compact light for tight spaces. It gives you good value considering its performance and durability. So, to wrap this up, we've seen the Roplux, Silstar, Woklux, and 2 variations of Makani Light lights. Each offers something unique, from flexibility and brightness to ruggedness. Depending on your specific needs, whether that's high lumens or durability, there's a great option here for every mechanic. Choose wisely, and you'll never be left in the dark again.